In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. If you're new to Google AI Studio, following a clear step-by-step process can make the platform much easier to understand. In this tutorial, we'll go from opening the platform to creating prompts, testing Gemini, and exploring AI development features on a PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and wait for the workspace to load. Step 1 is to explore the main interface. Look at the available options for prompts, models, projects, and development tools. The exact layout may change as Google updates the platform. Step 2 is to create a new prompt. This gives you a workspace where you can communicate with a Gemini model. Step 3 is to select an available Gemini model. Choose a model based on the type of task you want to perform and the options currently available in your account. Step 4 is to write your prompt. Clearly explain what you want Gemini to do. Include the task, context, audience, desired format, and any important requirements. Step 5 is to run the prompt and review the response. Check whether Gemini followed your instructions and whether the information is useful. Step 6 is to improve the prompt if necessary. If the response isn't what you expected, add more context, clarify the instructions, or change the requested output format. Step 7 is to experiment with different tasks. You can use Gemini to generate content, summarize information, analyze text, brainstorm ideas, or assist with coding. Step 8 is to explore projects and app building features if you want to create an AI-powered application. Start with a simple project and gradually add features. Step 9 is to learn about API access if you plan to connect Gemini to your own software. Create and manage API credentials carefully and never expose private API keys publicly. Step 10 is to test everything thoroughly. Try different prompts and inputs, check for errors, and verify important information before using AI-generated results. Finally, save useful prompts and projects so you can return to them later. Keep your workspace organized and continue experimenting with different AI capabilities. And that's how you can use Google AI Studio step by step in 2026.